Hi, I'm Tamara from IKEA Leeds, and today I'm visiting our special guest, Harriet Shea-Smith, or better known as Toby and Rue on Instagram, and we're going to be talking about all things sleep. Hi Harriet, thank you for having me today in your lovely home. So you got in touch with us to let us know about some struggles that you're having trying to get to sleep on the night time. Are you able to talk me through these issues?
Yeah, so at the moment we're in the middle of a renovation, and then with everything that's been happening we've had really interrupted sleep patterns. And the truth is, when you're parents, your bedroom kind of goes onto the back burner. It becomes a place to dump things, put storage in, and we sort out every other aspect of the house. So we've really pushed it backwards. It's things like being out of a routine have had a massive impact for us. The temperature in the bedroom isn't that great. Everything really needs refurbing. But we've noticed that if we have the window open, it's a bit chilly at night, but then we're waking up really hot. So I don't know whether or not that's something to do with our duvets, or maybe we've got the wrong bedding. I get, in particular, a really bad crick in my neck. Obviously, through my work, I'm spending a lot of the time at the computer, and I sleep on my front as well. So I quite often end up with cricks in my neck and pains down my arm. So not sure what we can do with that. And then lighting, it's so bright in our bedroom in the morning. The sun comes straight through the window, and our curtains are terrible. They've not been replaced for ages. So there's quite a few things there. I don't know if there's anything you can do to help me.
Yeah, you've touched on some really interesting points there, and we have some really simple solutions that you can use straight away in the bedroom, and hopefully by tonight you'll have a complete better night's sleep. So shall we go up to the bedroom and have a look?
Yeah, great. So this is the bedroom. You can see what we're up against. It's not the best, it's a work in progress. So over to you.
So you mentioned some really interesting points downstairs in the kitchen, and we're best out with lighting. Darkness prepares our body for sleep. So going from dimmable lights to digital device bans, the right lighting is so crucial to have that perfect night's sleep. And light levels play a huge role in being able to give you the quality and a decent night's sleep. So my first tip for you is to install blackout curtains and blinds.
Okay.
By doing this, it creates a sleep-inducing environment, and it blocks out any other sources of light, such as sunlight on a morning.
Yeah.
And also, layering your window like so dampens any outside noise and creates a calming atmosphere for sleep.
Perfect.
My second tip is using dimmable lighting.
Okay.
This is a great way to unwind after a long day. I recommend that you do it an hour before bed, as it just creates that calming, relaxing atmosphere. Warmer colour lights are great to use before bed. They're great to unwind, and blue and white lights are good once you're fully refreshed on a morning. And especially lighting that you can use with a remote control. When you find your eyes drooping before you fall asleep, just dim down the lights like so.
Oh, I love that. That's brilliant. That's so clever.
And then you can just switch them off from the comfort of your own bed.
Perfect.
Another great change we can do is using this lampshade, as it creates a soft, cosy atmosphere by spreading a diffused light.
Oh, I love that. It's really nice.
Another great change is to install an alarm clock instead of using your mobile phone to wake you up in the morning. This will stop those really bad snoozing habits, and using an alarm clock is a much healthier way of waking up in the morning, as it stops the temptation of you using social media and checking those emails before you even got out of bed.
I'm definitely guilty of doing that, so that's going to be great.
Yeah. So Harriet, I remember you telling me downstairs that you're too hot on a night time.
Yeah, it's really frustrating. I can't sleep without a duvet, but I get so warm. So anything we can do about that?
Okay, so finding the right bed solution is a huge factor for having a good night's sleep. All our duvets come in a range of warmth ratings and fillings, so you can find the perfect duvet for you.
Perfect.
So how about a duvet that's light in warmth and is feather and duck down? The reason why I say this is because they naturally insulate, and they're breathable, and they're also light and fluffy.
Oh, that sounds ideal for me.
And also another tip is having a mattress protector. This is brilliant for if you have children, as it maintains the temperature of your sleep, so you have a much better night's sleep.
Oh, that's ideal. Mattress protector is an absolute must for us.
Another thing to think about is pillow sizes and firmness. This is because pillows are just as important for spinal support than your mattress. You'll know it's the right one for you because your legs and shoulders will be relaxed and your airways open.
Yeah, well, mine never feel relaxed, so that's probably why.
Well, let's pair you up with that perfect pillow.
Okay, great.
Do you sleep on your front side or back?
Tend to sleep on my front most of the time.
Are you allergic to anything?
Not that I know of.
And do you prefer softer or firmer pillows?
I tend to be a bit of a pillow snuggler, so this is what I've got at the moment. I do like pillows to be softer, but this one's a bit flat for me, so...
Okay, well, sleeping on your front puts strain on your neck and back. So front sleepers, they need a low pillow and a mattress that provides even support.
Okay, well that's really interesting. I didn't know there were so many different pillows for different sleepers and how it all affects your neck and your back, so that's really good to know.
So at IKEA, we recommend creating a calming atmosphere before you come to bed. So how would you say you feel before you come up?
I definitely wouldn't say that I feel calm or relaxed. I mean, as I said before, our room is kind of the very, very bottom of the list in our renovation, so it becomes a bit of a dumping ground, and I find it really difficult to switch off in our bedroom. So I'm often thinking about things that need to be done the next day, or I'll spot something that's been stored in there and think, oh, I need to action that. So yeah, I find it really hard to calm down in our bedroom and to just switch off.
Okay, well, feeling stressed is definitely not the way you should be feeling before you come to bed, as it releases hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which speeds up your heart rate, and it often results in you having more lighter, fragmented sleep. So these furnishings we brought for you today, these pillows at the back here, they'll help you feel comfortable and relaxed as you're sitting up in bed.
These are lovely, I really like these, and I love the different colours together. Yeah. It's very me.
I've also noticed that you've got lots of hidden storage, which is great because this means that you come into a more decluttered environment, which makes you feel more relaxed.
Perfect, that's great to know.
Plants in the home are so much more than decoration. They've proven to reduce stress, increase morale, and make much more of a happier and healthier home.
Okay, well I never would have realised that. I mean, what kind of plants should I be looking at? What would you recommend for me?
Well, we've brought for you today some aloe vera and peace lilies. These remove harmful toxins in the air, making a much more purer quality of air in your room.
Fantastic. And this for watering them?
No, that is for in the morning. So when you wake up after such a refreshed night's sleep, it's really important for you to rehydrate and get into the habit of bringing up some water with you in a night.
I shall get into that habit then.
Okay, so just as a recap, we've brought for you today plants, lighting, bedding, cushions, new lampshade, curtains and blinds. So hopefully all of this now can make you have such a better night's sleep tonight.
I just can't believe how different the room looks. It's completely transformed. It already feels like a really calming space to come into, and I can't wait to just dive into bed tonight. So I'm really excited. Thank you so much.